We have in front of us an input-output table, and what we are going to do today is we are going to follow the rule that they are giving us to complete the missing pieces in the right side of this table. I'm looking at the rule, and the rule for this input-output table is to add 390. That means each number on the right-hand side, I'm going to add 390 to it, and it will give me the answer on the right-hand side. So my first number is 143. So let me write down 143 over here, and I need to add 390. Well, my answer will be 3 in the ones place, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then I'm going to carry over 3, 4, and 5. So my answer right here would be 533. And I'm going to do that to every number on the left-hand side. I'm going to add 390 to it. Now, you don't need to watch me do that with all of these numbers, but I want you to practice it. So if you don't have a pencil, paper, dry erase board marker, whatever, go grab it now. And I want you to practice adding 390 to 256, and then add 390 to 357, and we'll compare our answers. I'm going to pause the video and go do that now. All right, I've gone through and I have added 390 to 256, and then added 390 to 357, and my answer was 646 and 947. So if you did not get those answers, go back and double check your work. We are going to look at another problem with another input-output table and following the rule and how to solve it. The rule for this input-output table is to subtract 123. So I have the first number is 409. I'm going to take 123 away from it. I want you to do this one with me. Write down 409 and let's subtract 123. Now 9 take away 3 is 6. If I go to the tens place, I can't take away 2 from 0, so I have to borrow from the hundreds place, and that turns into 10. Take away 2 is 8. And then 3 take away 1 is 2. So my answer is 286. So 286 goes in this box. I want you to solve the next two boxes for this input-output table. I want you to take 123 away from 461 and then do it again to 554, and then we'll compare our answers. All right, our answers for those subtraction problems: 461 take away 123 is 338, and then 554 take away 123 is 431. If you didn't get those answers, go back and double check your math, make sure that you're borrowing from the right place, and so on. We are going to do another one together. This last one, the rule is multiplying by 9. So each number on the left-hand side, we are going to multiply by 9. I am not going to do an example first. I feel like you can do this on your own. So pause the video, and I want you to multiply 4 by 9, write it down, multiply 6 by 9, write it down, and multiply 7 by 9, and write it down, and then we'll compare our answers. All right, so 4 times 9 is 36, 6 times 9 is 54, and 7 times 9 is 63. So that is what your answers will be if you followed the rule for this input-output table. So you're going to practice this this method in the next few tasks. Just make sure you're following the rule every single time. Good luck!